My sleep patterns were very interrupted. A lot of times I would be choking at night.
Quiet Night uses gentle CO2 laser energy to help open airways and improve breathing. The DECA CO2 laser provides our patients with a pleasant, safe, and effective treatment experience.
The process was very easy. It was not invasive at all. It was quick. There was no downtime. I noticed a difference immediately.
Snoring relief starts here with Quiet Night laser therapy from Dr. Bergens.
The laser treatment actually helped the quality of my sleep and the quality of my life. It really helped to open the airway. I'm definitely more refreshed in the morning, having a better night's sleep. I'm glad I did it. Schedule a consultation today to improve your sleep.
Contact us today for your free consultation.